How to make money on autopilot with crypto bots. Cryptocurrency trading bots allow you to automate trading strategies, making money even while you sleep. In this video, you'll explain how they work, the best platforms, and how to set up an automated bot for passive income. 1. First 30 seconds. Grab attention. Example. Imagine waking up every morning and seeing your crypto portfolio grow without doing anything. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's possible with automated trading bots. In this video, I'll show you how crypto bots work, how to set them up, and the best strategies to make passive income on autopilot. 2. What are crypto trading bots? Simplify for beginners. Crypto trading bots are software programs that automatically execute buy and sell orders based on a preset strategy. These bots use algorithms to analyze market trends and make trades faster than humans. How they work. Connect to an exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or KuCoin. Follow preset trading rules or AI-based strategies. Automatically buy low and sell high, even when you're offline. 3. Why use crypto bots? Sell the benefits 24/7. Trading. Unlike humans, bots don't sleep. Eliminates emotional trading. No panic selling or FOMO buying. Faster execution. Bots react in milliseconds to market changes. Passive income. Potential. Set it up once and let it trade for you. 4th best crypto trading bots. Comparison. 1. 3 commas. Best for beginners. Offers smart trading bots and copy trading. 2. Pionex. Free built-in bots with low fees. 3. Bitscap. Great for grid trading and arbitrage. 4. Crypto Hopper. AI-powered bot with backtesting. 5. Haas Online. Advanced bot for experienced traders. 5. How to set up a crypto bot. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Choose a platform, sign up for a bot like 3 commas, and connect it to your exchange using an API key. Step 2. Select a trading strategy, grid trading. Profits from price fluctuations. DCA, dollar cost averaging. Invests at intervals to reduce risk. Scalping, small, frequent trades for quick profits. Step 3. Set up trading pairs. Example, BTC/USDT. Your bot will buy BTC when it dips and sell when it rises. Step 4. Backtest and go live. Run a simulation to see how your strategy performs before using real money. 6. Risk management. How to stay safe. Use stop-loss orders. Prevents big losses. Avoid over-leveraging. Trading with too much borrowed money is risky. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put everything into one coin. Regularly monitor performance. Even automation needs human oversight. 7. Real profit potential. Examples and proof. Showcase studies of traders who've used bots successfully. Use real or demo account results to demonstrate. A 3-day trading profit of plus 5%. How the bot buys low and sells high automatically. Before, after screenshots of a bot in action. 8. Call to action. CTA. Keep viewers engaged. Want to start trading on autopilot? Check the links in the description for my top recommended bots. Let me know in the comments, have you ever used a crypto bot before?